everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In this video, I'll be showing you the Coleman 12 volt crystalline solar panel kit with stand. Some of its features are, it has high efficiency crystalline solar cells, which produce up to 120 watts of power under ideal conditions. A fold-out stand, which allows for the panel to be quickly set up and angled. It's designed to recharge 12 volt batteries and also ideal for emergency backup or remote power when electricity is unavailable. It's made of highly durable, shatterproof tempered glass. It's fully waterproof and built for a variety of outdoor applications. It has an integrated blocking diode which protects the battery from discharge at night. These are the items you'll find in the box: the solar panel, stand, 2 mounting screws, 8.5 amp charge controller, 300 watt inverter, inverter connector cable with battery clamps, inverter connector cable with 12 volt adapter, and an extra fuse. The manual suggests wearing gloves and eye protection during the setup. There is additional information in the manual such as safety warnings and cleaning instructions, so please familiarize yourself with that as I won't be covering everything. Okay, to set up, first you want to test the voltage of the exposed wire with a meter. Place the panel in full sun and make sure the meter is set to a voltage above 20 volt DC. Under strong sun, the reading should be between 18 and 24 volts DC. If it's in that range, the panel is working and you can proceed with installation. To do that, extend the stand and connect the screws into the rivet holes. Connect the wire from the solar panel to the charge controller with wire nuts and electrical tape. Make sure you connect the correct polarity, red to red and black to black. Then connect the ring terminals to the battery. When everything is connected, you can expose the panel to the sunlight. The amber light will illuminate when the battery is charging, and the green light will illuminate when the battery is fully charged. To use the inverter, connect it to the battery with the cables, then clamps. Once everything is connected, you can turn it on. The inverter converts the 12 volt DC power stored in the battery to 110 volts AC. 2 plugs can be used to run household items. There is also a USB port to charge cell phones. An alarm sounds if you exceed the wattage, so disconnect that item. You can also hook the inverter up to a vehicle's 12 volt DC socket using this attachment. The inverter comes with an extra fuse. You just remove the screws to open the housing and replace it. I don't have any information about cost or how quickly the panel charges the battery and how long the electronics run. There are probably too many variables to say, but if you have any questions, please reach out to the resources. I'll leave them in the description of this video. I'll include purchasing information in the description as well. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, Please don't forget to subscribe to me here on YouTube and follow me on TikTok and Instagram as well. As always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.